Can we do a burnout with it, Justin? Dude, that's awesome. I did not see you going for that. Oh, God. Another one. And off we go. 45. 65. 90. Welcome back to Wheelmen. Hello, wheel women, wheel children, anybody inspired by the grace of performance watching this blessed channel today. We just got done shooting a review on this here motorcycle. This is Justin's 2009 Fatboy Softail, 6,000 or 7,000 miles. It's a 1580 or 1540 cc. You can reference the video prior I just did the review. 6-speed, fuel injected. I love this kick shift. We're gonna see just how fast this thing is. 09 Harley Fatboy Softail, 1540 cc. We did a video like this for a 2008 Harley Nightster. Got a lot of good views. Go check that video out. It's pretty old, probably a year or two. And we also did one yesterday for my new Nightster, my lime green 2011 1200 with a PC5 auto tune module and billet intake. We just beat the hell out of that bike yesterday, so go check that video out. Drop that video. Now we're back by the school. We need to take a left and get back to the street. Get a little bit of a spirited driving. Dude, I just realized that I did not upshift with my kick down. Oh God, that kick down is way more relevant. Holy cow. It is way more economical than pulling upward with your feet to upshift. Takes the corners all right. Not worse than you think, not better than you think. This thing's got some oomph though. It would be nice with an exhaust and a power commander and an intake. Let's shoot out here. We're not going to hit rev on it yet. I don't want to be on the main highway doing all this nonsense. It is nice just to take somebody else's bike out and beat on it though. It's pretty quick. It's hard to tell what's faster. I know the Nightster winds out way better than this thing does, but again, this doesn't have a power commander and hasn't been unleashed yet, so. Got some to it. I'm like, I bet you this bike's like, oh my gosh! Yeah, I've been riding like this in forever. Have you? You like that, don't you? You like it? Yeah. Alright, let's see another one. Feels so weird just dogging on a motorcycle. Like, just take it, please. Make sure there's no 5.0. Oh yeah. Alright, let's try to pay attention to the speedometer now, and we will try to call out the mile per hour per gear. And there's no cars coming. What a delight. Thank you so much. And off we go. 45, 65, 90. There we go. Justin's gonna be like, good God, you beat the hell out of my bike. You're welcome. Go conveniently all the way down to 6th gear. We require no more. Well, this has been extraordinarily fun. I just love this kickdown. We're going really back to the house. I think we've beat up on this bike enough today. Your question, is it fast? Yeah, sure it's fast. Is it fast enough? I don't know. It just depends on you. This is not as fast as the Nightster. Do I open the Nightster up all the time? I certainly do not. I drive like a grandma most of the time. Matter of fact, yesterday when I did the wide open throttle video and how fast is this stuff, that was the first time I'd have rev limiter on the bike at all. So it's fast enough, you know. You just saw the wide open throttle. I called out the mile per hour per gear, so that'll be your judge, you know. Is it fast enough? Sure. Could it be faster? Everything could be faster. I'm Will, man. I mean, everything could always be faster. That being said, which is probably one of the most famous phrases on YouTube. That being said, that being said, that being said. We're going to wrap the video up here. If you liked watching me beat on Justin's bike, if you appreciated Justin letting me beat on his bike for this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you do subscribe. If you like guns, Justin has about 50 guns for no justifiable, relevant reason, which is awesome. Make sure you subscribe, because you're like him, and you fit in, and you belong. Make sure you get us out there. We're almost to our goal. Let me know if you liked the wide open video. Go watch the review. Let me know in the comments if you liked the review. I think that's the first time I've done a motorcycle review. I haven't even done them on my bikes before, so I think I've actually done one on my Nightster, but we're going to wrap the video up here, and this is the last time you will see it. Let's see if can we do a burnout with it, Justin? Dude, that's awesome. I did not see you going for that. What? Dude, we got to try it. We're going to try it. I'm going to give you the camera, and we're going to try it in there. I'll probably even put it on some of that gravel type shit just to give it. Yeah. Dang. It's amazing. He's going to let us try a burnout in apparently Harley's futuristic motorcycle, because it's not going to be us for much longer. What do you do when you're going to sell your bike to Harley? You do a burnout. Yes! Yes! Can't wait to throw that in the intro footage. Dude, look how much, it's still bellowing smoke in your backyard. It's dancing back here like a tornado. Oh, it smells like fresh rubber. Anytime I smell fresh rubber, I want to go to the drag strip. Is that weird? A little. Said that we caught the dead grass on fire. Dude, I'm so glad you let me do a burnout. That's the best way, dude. The best way you could have sold a Harley back to Harley. Oh, like I was over there doing the burnout smile, and Justin's like, bless his heart.
I thought it reached its peak. So
Yeah,
like,
yeah. We did plenty, man. We went like 7 seconds past like the minimum footage we needed for a burnout. Justin's like, all right.
No,
Oh my God. All right.